Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of follow-up for the whole crypto market space in general, and the first video I'm going to be doing is for Bitcoin. So what I have here is Bitcoin versus USD. These are the 1 week candles from Bitstamp, and we have here a general view of the history of Bitcoin. It's not the full history, but from the previous bubble in 2014 up to until today, in the bubble in 2017. If we are in a bubble, I believe we are, but yeah, there's different opinions from different people, but for me, in my mind, there's no doubt history is repeating itself. So we can see how similar this is. What happened in 2014 after we touched the top of the bubble, we crashed very heavily here, but then we recovered quite quick, going near all-time highs again. This drop here, it's called bull trap because all the bulls are buying the dips, and this causes the price to go up. But when we are up here, everybody think that we're going back to normal and we're going to break all-time highs again, which is what's happening today in 2017. We are right here now, if you can see the big drop here, and then the fast recovery. So we are somewhere here. And but what happened in 2014 is that we never touched all-time highs again, and then from there we had a huge crash again. And then after that, we actually started to recover again. Now, having consideration that these are the 1 week candles, so this was in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks from here to here, 6 weeks recovering, 1 month and a half going up for Bitcoin. Back in 2014, that was a very long time, having in consideration how volatile Bitcoin was back then. So 6 weeks going up, it was like everybody thought we were good, we were in a bull market, and we were going to recover, we were going to break all-time highs and go to $1 million per Bitcoin. But this in reality was the very last peak before we entered a very long bear market. Now, if we go into the 2014 bubble and we look closer, we will be able to get a lot of information that's going to be useful to predict the price of in today 2017. So what happened here? We had a big sell-off here. We recovered quick. We are here today, and we think we are in a bull market, right? Because we just had a normal correction after a huge run up. It's normal to have corrections here, but now we're recovering and we're still in a bull market. So what we can do is we can draw a line here, a support line from where the bull market started to the new lower low that just happened here, right? So we draw a support line here, ascending support, because we're in a bull market. So this line is going to have to hold the price. So we here today, we're going up. We actually go up here next week, nearing all-time highs. Then we start dropping, but no worries. This line is going to have to hold the price because we're in a bull market. And when the price touches this line, if you see here, this is a small body candle, touches the line, bounces up. This is a full week, so 7 days, the price fighting here in this line. But what happened when this line can't hold the price anymore is that boom, we have a huge sell-off here. That's what happens every time we break an ascending support line. So, but don't worry, because we are still uptrending. So all we have to do is just draw a new line, you know, from where the uptrend started to the new lower low. So where this candle closed here, that was the low, so we have a new low here, and then we bounce in this line. We go up for 1 full week. We're doing so good. We just have a normal pullback. We bounce in this line. This line is going to hold it, but what happens next week when this line can't hold the price anymore? Boom, we have a big sell-off again. But don't worry, because we're still uptrending, right? So all we have to do is draw a new line and the new lower low that goes through the new lower low. So we draw a line. Actually, the green candle is to be fair. So this is the new lower low from where the parabolic movement started. So no worries, we touch this line, we create the new lower low, we bounce up, we go back down, but the price holds onto this line. We have 1, 2, 3 weeks consolidating on this line. Okay, the price is fighting so hard. All the bulls are buying this dip, and finally we bounce in this line for 1, 2, 3 weeks, bouncing up, going up. So we're so excited. Bitcoin is recovering. This line hold, and this line will continue to hold. And then we have a normal correction, but it's okay because the price bounced in this moving average. So we continue to go up for a few more weeks. Then we have another pullback, but don't worry. The price bounces on this line, goes up for 1 week. No worries. Next week, the price is fighting in this line. But what happens when the price can't hold on to this line anymore? Boom, we have another huge sell-off. And every time an uptrending support line is broken, we have a huge sell-off. After that, I think we can still do the last, the last uptrending support in the new low. So we created a new lower low here. If we believe we're still in a bull market, it's fine. This line will hold. We bounce in this line a little bit for a couple more months, 3 months, whatever. And then when this line can't hold anymore, boom, we have another big sell-off. And that was the last one. And I believe here we can draw a perfect horizontal line, and that was the bottom. That was the bottom of the, the bubble burst. Another thing information we can get from this chart is, let me delete this. So if we draw a line from the very top of the bubble, going through the new lower high, this line is going to dictate from the top, actually, where the candle closes, to be fair. There, to be fair, is top, and then the newer lower high. So this line is going to dictate how long and how fast or slow we're going to be into the bear market. This line was never broken on the upside during the whole bear market, and after this line was actually broken, then we could have a healthy consolidation period for a few more months, and then after that we could start growing again. So this line, as you see, it's going to give us the information for how long it's going to be, or how long we can expect a bear market in this year as well. So tomorrow, when this candle is closed, I will be able to draw a line here from the very top to where this candle closes. Let's imagine it closes right there. So I don't have more room here, but so this is going to tell us how long the bear market is going to be. And I hate saying this, but everything seems to point that we're going to have a very long bear market again, maybe even longer than the last one. I hope not, but okay. So yeah, so here we are today. If we believe we are in a bull market, if we believe we're still in a bull market, don't worry. This means that we can draw a line here. And this line is going to have to hold, right? I draw a new line from where the up run started to the new lower low we created here. So this line is going to hold the price. If it's true that we are uptrending, this line will hold it. Okay, let's see what happens when this line has to hold the price. I believe we're still weeks away from this, but this line is going to stay here, like all my lines and arrows in my charts. This line is going to stay here, and tomorrow I'm going to be updating to draw the resistance line. So we will see what happens when this line has to hold the price, because I believe if this line doesn't hold the price and it's broken on the downside, we're going to have a huge sell-off here. All right, this was all for Bitcoin. Thank you guys very much for watching. Please comment below. I would love to read your different opinions, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.